What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Knife Life VDC. Look what I got. Pretty excited about this. I've been waiting for it for a while. When that first came out for pre-order, I was there. I swear, the minute it came out, I was refreshing the Kunwu, or excuse me, I think it's pronounced Kunwu. Heard on Metal Complex. He's another YouTube page. Hopefully, you've heard of him if you're into knives. Obviously, he said Kunwu, so I'm gonna go with Kunwu for now on. Hopefully, but yeah, I was on the page refreshing it. Finally, when it came up, I was on there and paid for it, and it was like a month or two till it came out. Still, it took some time for shipping because obviously it came from China, but it's here, and I'm so freaking excited for it. All right, so the usual, you got your gel tablet right there. You have your little things right here. I see. I like to use these. I love using these because I get knives from different companies and stuff like that to check out stuff like that from usually from White Mountain Knives, but if I don't leave them in the box, I put them in these pouches because I have two more of them, and I use them, and they keep the knife pretty safe, and they keep it from scratching, obviously, stuff like that. So that's just if I'm toting it out in public and stuff like that. I don't want to damage other people's merchandise, because it's not mine. And obviously, I would love to have most of the knives I check out, but don't have the money for them. Don't want to pay for them, right? I would if I scratch it up, and I'm gonna keep from doing that, obviously. So here's your little information stuff, your certificate of authenticity. Yeah, just general information. Here's your little cleaning cloth with the Kunwu logo on it. And the great thing about it is they started coming out with pocket clips. They have like your titanium, and then you have your wire clip. Just if you want to switch and all that type of stuff, which I think is fantastic that they do that because I do love wire pocket clips, but I'm digging in the titanium pocket clips now with knives. So I've been getting more into that. So now I have options. So I think that's phenomenal that they do that. And I love Kunwu. I almost said Kunwu. Did you hear it? Kunwu, they just go above and beyond with their knives and their materials and stuff like that. So I do love them. They also come with oops, excuse me, also extra springs. I don't know if they're stronger or not though. I don't know about that. I have to look into that. But you do have at least have extra springs, but they might be adjustable like that, so you can make them stronger or something like that. I don't know. I'll have to check into it. But obviously, this is the Django. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. The Django. I'm going to go with. I think that's what I said. Yeah, I've been excited for this since I saw it. And they had the Deadpool version or stuff like that. I really wanted that one, but I was like, you know what? I'm really into the titanium as of lately, and I really want that reverse tux. Look at that, looking very sexy in the tux and everything. Um, I do like the blade shape. I was very surprised on that. It kind of grew on me the more I looked at it online and stuff like that. And I don't know what you would call that, like a drop point or a clip point or something like that, because it does look like it comes up a little bit. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. Not quite for sure. Um, but yeah, I haven't seen anybody really carrying them or doing videos on the reverse tux version of it, like the look of it and everything. I know Metal Complex did, but he also had like the red G-Mascus version of it too, so he was kind of checking both of them out. Um, I really like the way this feels in my hand. It's got that kind of like that little curve in it. I didn't know. I'm kind of weird. I kind of like the knives kind of straighter like this. This is a Benchmade Bughead, obviously. Um, I feel like it's more straight, maybe with a slight bend or slight curve in it. And I feel like the Django has quite the curve in it. Now, also the Padre, they make a knife called the Padre that has also kind of like this, maybe a little bit more so. And I actually maybe have that coming in the mail this week. I'm just saying, I may have got me one of them finally. Um, but yeah, but let's stick to this one. Kunwu was just getting on my mind lately. Um, I just love the diamond texturing. This is my first Kunwu with diamond texturing. It does feel really. I was always kind of weirded out about it. I didn't know how it would feel, but it actually does feel really good in my hand. I obviously don't feel like I'm going to slip or anything. Um, well, let's show you up close and personal. So there's the texturing. You can really see it right there. Kind of got some fuzzies on it already. Apparently my work area is kind of dirty. Great pocket clip. I love the. I'm actually getting another one for. I'm not getting another one. I'm going to buy one for my S towel. Um, I really like the way this looks. I've been wanting to get the S towel pocket clip for it, titanium pocket clip, just to have it. And I do like the way they look. Saw the pictures of this and I thought it looked really good on it. So I saw some pictures of the S towel and I thought, it looks great on it. But this knife does feel awesome in my hand, though. I'm not even joking. Like, it does feel great. For the price, I think it was, when I bought it for the pre-order, it was cheaper. So whatever your price you're going to pay for it now, it's going to go up a little bit. They try to get their pre-orders down cheaper, though, which is awesome. Um, but obviously, once the pre-order's done, the prices go up, and then they got to make profit on them and stuff like that. They do have the XT lock on this, which I do like liner locks, I think, a little better. But I do like the XT lock on this. It's like a bar lock, crossbar lock, at the Stutch. Every company calls it something different. Um, Opens very, very well. Just reverse flipping it. Yep, see, and then you got your bar lock opening, works great also. Let's see, and you can flip it open with your thumb. There you go. I was talking, and apparently it didn't want to open up when I said that. So you use your thumb, you can use your reverse flip. It just really is a cool blade shape, though. I really kind of like that. I didn't at first. I thought it looked a little goofy, but the more pictures I saw, the more I kind of liked it. And I will say that the blade gets smudged up pretty easy, it seems. But just look at that. That looks awesome. And you also, for people, you have your lanyard hole, if that's what you so want. Um, I think I paid like 175 for this, but I think it's up to 225. I'm not quite sure. Don't quote me on that, but I think they're still in stock on the Kunwu website. There you go. You heard it. I said Kunwu. I think they're still on sale on the Kunwu website. I think they're like $200 some, just depending on what version you get. Um, I say check them out. They're great knives. They're great quality. I did not tell you what steel it is. It is Elmax, as you can see right there. Forgot to tell you that. Love Elmax. I have that love-hate relationship with it. Mostly love. Hate because it cuts me up. For some reason. Usually the first day it kind of cuts me up. Let's see if this one does it. Hopefully not. Maybe I'll steer clear of it this time. And not slice my hand open. I do like the jimping also. They also have great jimping. All their knives are pretty much the same for jimping. It all is kind of like the same look, same feel of it. Yeah, see, there you go. You kind of see it. It's all kind of the same for the most part. I do like their jimping. Again, I like Kaiser drop bear jimping and like this kind of jimping. The two companies I really do enjoy, both coming from China. So maybe they got something going on over there. Maybe it's just the designers. That's kind of just a quick first impressions for you. Check it out, obviously. I will give a review, obviously, later. I'm going to go and say check it out just because I love Kunwu. I keep saying that. I almost say Kunwu, and I try to stop in the middle of it, and then it just sounds like I'm stuttering over my feet. Kunwu, they just make great stuff. You're not going to be disappointed. Hopefully I'll have the Padre coming in this week, just depending on when this knife is released also. But check them out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up or just leave a comment. Thanks.